iHelp is a social sensitivity initiative at IIM Indore that aims at fostering social change by nurturing the talent of underprivileged children. We aim at educating them, empowering them with the fundamental knowledge and skills, and enabling them pursue their dreams. With a core team of 13 members and a volunteer base of 250, iHelp is the largest social organization among the Indian Institutes of Management. Rather than material contribution, iHelp aims at utilizing the intellectual capital of IIM Indore's undergraduates and faculty towards the betterment of underprivileged children. For others, we might be just any other organization, but for us, this is a dream come true and a way to contribute back to the society with all that we have.
In the past 7 years of iHelp's existence, we have successfully employed innovative methods of imparting education and have special modules made by our volunteers that serve as teaching guides for our young teachers. We engage students using fun-filled activities and realistic examples, and also implement personalized teaching pedagogies. In the past 2 years, we have made a smooth transition from the physical delivery of classes to the online mode. Apart from teaching, we also conduct research projects that concern various aspects of the students' education. In order to contribute to their holistic development, iHelp also conducts annual events such as Sports Day and Cultural Day to encourage their unique talents. Currently, iHelp's operations are spread across 3 schools in Madhya Pradesh and 1 school in Bihar, a total of 450 plus students. Over the years, we have managed to expand operations from teaching elementary mathematics and English to training the students for various scholarship exams. In just 4 years, we have enabled 13 students secure a total scholarship worth more than 5 lakh rupees.
Right from the consistent efforts by our volunteers and the dedicated efforts by the core team, iHelp has come a long way learning, continually adapting and evolving itself as an organization to engage these kids in learning through fun and innovative ways. We shall always give these kids the best that we can because at the end of the day, it's the smile on their faces that matter the most to us and makes our day.
Hi, this is Swarnima and I'm the projects coordinator for iHelp this year. Now what exactly is the iHelp projects vertical? Basically, it's the R&D department of iHelp. It is the think tank of iHelp and it is where your ideas get live and actually change the lives of others. Now how do we do it? We essentially aid IPMers in brainstorming new ideas in the form of projects which can improve the quality of life and education which is received by the students that we teach under iHelp. Now these projects are guided by distinguished faculty members of IIM Indore who provide their constructive inputs and make the project a tangible deliverable which actually seeks to contribute and add value to iHelp's operations.
Now that you've understood what iHelp project does and what's it about, let me walk you through a few of our past and current projects. The Impact Study. The study was primarily conceived with the idea of understanding the effect that iHelp has on a student's academic development. It also aims to show that the funding and resources received by iHelp are channelized into proper development of a student's academic environment. Second is MANIM. This project aims to visualize the textual concepts written in textbooks of the students. It aims to move beyond the physical classroom and the physical resources. For example, a student understands the why and the hows of the concepts by actually seeing and analyzing why the area of a square is its side square. The project aims to convert the theoretical concepts through Python and MANIM, and this can either be an addition to the physical classroom or solely be used in an online environment as in the pandemic world today. Last but not the least is Umang. Umang is a motivation related project. It seeks to analyze various variables that affect students' motivation in academic development or in their academic environment. For example, the struggles that they go through, the familiar environment, and it further seeks to use those variables in a model in order to understand how it can be worked upon, and the motivation can be thoroughly channelized into a better academic journey for the students and not take them a step back but 2 steps forward. Now that you've understood a few of iHelp's projects, we hope to see you as a part of our future teams. Thank you.
मेरा नाम आर्यन चौहान है। स्कूल का नाम शासकीय हाई स्कूल उमरिया। मैं जिला इंदौर मऊ तहसील उमरिया कॉलोनी में रहता हूँ। मैंने मीन्स कम मेरिट की परीक्षा पास की। अगर हमें कुछ पता नहीं चलता सोल्व बुक के बारे में तो हम शिक्षकों से मदद मांगते हैं।
मेरा नाम अभय चौहान है। मेरे स्कूल का नाम गवर्नमेंट हाई स्कूल उमरिया है। मैं जिला इंदौर तहसील मऊ ग्राम पंचायत उमरिया में रहता हूँ। मैंने मेन से कम मेरिट एग्ज़ाम पास किए। जैसे कोई क्वेश्चन हमको नहीं आता तो हम मैम के पास जाते हैं, मैम हमको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके बताती है। जैसे कोई क्वेश्चन हमारे दोस्तों को नहीं आता है तो हम उनकी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके मदद करते हैं।